Guys, and welcome back to the Wdo2T channel.
What's up, love? How you doing? It's me, Miss Birdie.
Do y'all know what time it is? Yep, did you guess it? It's a gift giveaway. Let me show you what your prize will be. But let's start with the new, like the new year. Alright, follow these steps to win the surprise. Start by following all the social medias and turning on all the notifications. Then next, we'll go to the website and we'll scroll down and volunteer with us. Then send us a text message saying WDO2T. The first 10 wins. And people can win themselves a ticket to Disney on Ice. Make sure you will like and subscribe. See you next time.